Do you want to see how air warfare will develop in the future? We're going to show you the highly anticipated B-21 nuclear stealth bomber in this video. This aircraft has been kept a closely guarded secret for years since it is so cutting edge. Get ready to see the bomber for the first time, as it takes the place of the outdated B-52s and B-1Bs. The B-21 is an aircraft with cutting-edge stealth capability, cutting-edge avionics, and the capacity to carry a variety of conventional and nuclear missiles. Keep checking back for this exclusive preview, which is about to begin. An innovative aircraft that has been under development for many years and has now been made public is the B-21 nuclear stealth bomber. The United States Air Force will depend heavily on this bomber for many years to come as a replacement for the outdated B-52s and B-1Bs. The B-21's ability to blend in with its surroundings is one of its most outstanding qualities. Even the most sophisticated radar systems won't be able to detect the bomber, rendering it virtually undetectable to the opposition. This is made possible by a combination of cutting-edge materials and sophisticated design methods that enable the bomber to reflect, absorb, or dilute radar radiation, depending on the circumstance. With no need to worry about being discovered, the bomber will be able to conduct missions throughout hostile territory. The B-21's engines and exhausts also have stealth features, so its exterior is not the only part of it that can be seen. Engines on the aircraft are made to have a smaller heat signature, which makes it more difficult for missiles that use heat to track them. Additionally, the aircraft's infrared signature will be reduced by the exhausts, making it more difficult for heat-sensing technology to detect it. The B-21 has the most modern, cutting-edge avionics and weaponry systems in addition to its stealth qualities. Depending on the objective, the aircraft can carry a range of conventional and nuclear weapons thanks to its extremely versatile architecture. Using the most cutting-edge networking and data link technology, it can also communicate in real time with other aircraft and ground forces. The B-21 is also made to be very resilient in hostile environments. It is outfitted with a variety of defensive systems, such as flares and chaff to deceive approaching missiles, electronic countermeasures, radar and missile warning systems, and flares. The bomber can fly at high altitudes, which lowers the chance of being struck by ground-based anti-aircraft systems, and has a low radar cross-section, which makes it more difficult for opposing forces to follow it. The range of the B-21 is another crucial feature. The bomber is an excellent platform for long-range missions, since it can travel great distances without refueling. As a result, the United States will be able to project its military might around the world and promptly counter any threats that may materialize. The B-21 can also fly from a variety of airfields, including ones that might be found in isolated or harsh locations. It has been a very clandestine procedure to create the B-21, and many of the specifics are still top secret. But we do know that Northrop Grumman, a global leader in the aerospace and defense industries, is working on the aircraft. The manufacturer has a lengthy history of developing cutting-edge military aircraft, such as the B-2 Spirit bomber, which the B-21 is claimed to mimic in certain aspects. Congress in the United States, which has allotted enormous sums of money for its development, is likewise keeping a careful eye on the B-21 program. Future military operations are anticipated to heavily rely on the program, which is seen as an essential component of the nation's national security strategy. Even though the B-21 is still in development, military analysts and fans are already intrigued and enthusiastic about it because of its capabilities and possible uses. According to certain theories, the plane might be employed for a variety of tasks, including conventional bombing campaigns and nuclear deterrence. Others have proposed using the B-21 for covert tasks like intelligence gathering or special operations. Even though the B-21 is still in development, military analysts and fans are already intrigued and enthusiastic about it because of its capabilities and possible uses. According to certain theories, the plane might be employed for a variety of tasks, including conventional bombing campaigns and nuclear deterrence. Others have proposed using the B-21 for covert tasks like intelligence gathering or special operations. In conclusion, the B-21 nuclear stealth bomber marks a significant improvement in the military prowess of the U.S. This aircraft is certain to revolutionize air combat thanks to its cutting-edge technology, stealth capability, and agility. There is no doubt that the B-21 will be a key component of the American military strategy for many years to come, despite the fact that there are still many unknowns and difficulties to be overcome. Thank you for watching our B-21 nuclear stealth bomber video. If you thought this information was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more information on the most recent advancements in military technology.